Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so in today's video, we're going to be testing the knowledge of Kenyans about Ethiopia by asking them what is the capital city of Ethiopia.
Yeah, so please watch this video till the very end and hear some of the interesting things they had to say about Ethiopia. So come with us, let's go find out.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Huno.
Uno.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, but first of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Yeah, I know Ethiopia.
How do you know it?
Okay, Ethiopia is a neighboring country. Alafu is an Eastern African country. Mostly is known in marathon sports, najua, yeah.
Okay, so the main question we're asking Kenyans today is, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Yeah, I know. It's Addis Ababa. Yeah.
And how did you hear of Addis Ababa?
Okay, from histories, you know, news and some research too. Yeah.
And is Addis Ababa a city you'd like to visit?
Okay, I would like to visit, but I like living in Kenya, you know. Yeah, Kenya, we have a very, very good capital city called Nairobi. Yeah, it's a very cool place, very awesome place, very innovative, you know, economical, you know, yeah.
And let's say you were to go to Addis Ababa, is there anything in particular you'd like to see?
Yeah, I would like to, first, I would love to know Ethiopian language, to learn Ethiopian languages, to know their culture, to taste their food, you know, the African food, and to relate with people. If it is possible, I can have a girlfriend,
A girlfriend from Ethiopia?
Yeah.
So if you're an Ethiopian girl and you want a Kenyan man, you please hit our comment section and tell us about it. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Very fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Innocent Baraza.
Innocent.
Yeah, Innocent.
Oh, that's an interesting name.
Thank you.
Yeah, so today we're asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Yeah, Ethiopia, they are immediate neighbors. Yeah.
How else do you know them?
They are some of the best marathon runners in the whole world. They're one of the best. And also, they were never colonized.
Oh, yes, exactly.
They are the only country in Africa that was not colonized. That's very beautiful about them. Yeah, and they're beautiful people, yeah? Yeah, they're beautiful people.
Okay, so the next question I'm going to ask you is, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Let's have it.
Yeah.
Which is it?
Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa?
Yeah, Addis
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I'm sure.
Okay, and if you're given the opportunity to visit Addis Ababa, would you take it?
Yeah. I'm outgoing and I love exploring. I think definitely that will be a very good thing to try. I think Addis Ababa, I know it's beautiful. According to the people who have been there, they've shared their stories and it's a beautiful city. I would love to be there.
Okay. And what would you look forward to seeing the most when you get to Addis Ababa or to experience?
I just want to hang around their people and mainly the people and see their beauty, the nature and the beauty of the country. That's the main thing, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Robi Masaga.
Robi Masaga.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Yeah, of course I do.
What do you know it for?
First of all, I used to stay with some Ethiopians.
Okay.
Yeah, so I know them. Something else I know about Ethiopians is the Ethiopian beer. Did I pronounce it correct?
Yeah.
The Ethiopian beer is one of the strongest, among the strongest currency in Africa. Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else?
Let me think. Okay. They are the best when it comes to producing coffee.
Oh, yeah, that's actually true.
Yeah.
So today we are asking Kenyans.
Wait. Also, I know them. I know their food, the injera. Yeah. So I almost forgot that they have injera. I've tasted it and it's nice. Yeah.
Okay. And is Ethiopia a country you'd like to visit?
Of course, I would love to visit.
What do you look forward to seeing when you get there?
Testing the injera again. What else? Okay. Generally, to tour around, see their culture. Yes, and of course niende kwa hizo kofi zao.
So today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Yes.
This one, if you fall my hand, we'll fall together.
No, I do know the capital city. It's Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa. What have you heard about Addis Ababa? Kai.
What? Honestly, I've heard. I don't know. Okay, just like Nairobi, it's among the developing cities.
Yeah, it's developed.
Yeah, I don't want to lie that I know anything else. Yeah.
And would you like to travel to Addis given a chance?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, I would love. Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is the Kenyan Beast.
The Kenyan Bee.
I'm a Livingstone, yeah.
Yeah, on all social media platforms.
Kenyan Beast on all social media platforms.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Wow. Wow. I know Ethiopia. Yeah. I know
How do you know Ethiopia?
I know Ethiopia is, first of all, it's one of my favorite countries. I know about the culture, the food, the cities. I know more about Ethiopia. Yeah.
And so the main question of today is we're asking Kenyans, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
I know the capital city of Ethiopia.
What is it?
It is Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
Would you like to visit Addis Ababa?
I would love to visit there. Of course, it's in one of my plans. Before God returns, I will make sure I visit Addis Ababa and Ethiopia at large, and even the other cities of Ethiopia. You know, apart from Addis Ababa, it has different cities. Yeah.
And what do you look forward to seeing when you get there?
First of all, I want to see the. First of all, even it's not about the food, but first of all, when I step in Addis Ababa or in Ethiopia, I want to visit the coffee farms. You know about the coffee. I just you know, the Ethiopian they have a very sweet coffee and pure coffee. They are one of the largest coffee producers. Of course, Addis Ababa. When I visit Addis Ababa as a city, not as Ethiopia, as a city, I would want to taste the maybe I will say the cuisines, you know, the food. I think Addis Ababa is the best town that you can have the best delicacy cuisines.
And is there any Ethiopian delicacy you can name for us that maybe you've heard of or you'd like to try?
Okay, I've heard of injera. There's another. There's, you know, as a content creator, I have many Ethiopians. They have told me a lot of the food, but of course I forgot them. So first of all, injera. By the way, I've tried injera. I tried injera sometimes back. But Somalians injera. So I don't know if they resemble.
Did you like it?
But I love it. I love it. There is this their coffee. I want to taste their coffee. I want to taste their coffee.
Okay. So thank you so much for your
That's
time.
all.
And before we close the show, have you ever met any Ethiopian here in Kenya?
Yeah, I've met Ethiopia in Kenya, in Isli. I've met Ethiopians in Isli. I've met Ethiopians in Harambee here in Nairobi. Yeah, I've mingled with them. They are so good people. You know, I have Ethiopian friends that we have never met. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
We just talk with them. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for that question. By the way, I'm Kenyan Beast. I'm one of the African ambassador. I am very happy that you are asking these questions about Africa. So, you know, we have to sell Africa. Africa is our business.
Okay, so
Make
guys,
Africa your business.
Yeah, if you're watching this channel, actually Kenyan Beast is one of the biggest YouTuber here in Kenya.
Thank you.
He showcases countries, cultures and people.
Yeah.
So from this channel you can go check him out and check what he does on his social media, right?
Tell them Addis Ababa, I'm coming.
He's
for
coming
you.
to Addis Ababa, so you better check out.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Color black.
Color Black.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Yes.
Well, how do you know them?
Okay, I know Ethiopia because they are the best in Christian, okay? Because they have many number of Christians. Yeah. Another thing is they grow coffee. Another thing is Ethiopia, their currency is expensive. Or it is cheap.
No, they have one of the strongest currencies in Africa. Ethiopians, let us know if you're watching this down in the comment section. They have one of the strongest currencies in Africa.
Yes.
Yeah. Is there any other thing?
No, I don't know any other thing. Yes.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Yes.
What is it?
Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa.
Yes.
And is it a city you'd like to visit?
Yes. Why not?
What would you look forward to seeing when you get there?
The beautiful sceneries of Ethiopia.
Okay, sawa sawa. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Nimma.
Nelima.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
Yes, I do.
How do you know it?
From school.
From school?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are asking Kenyans, do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Yes.
Which is it?
Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa. And if you're given the opportunity to visit Addis Ababa, would you take it? What would you look forward to seeing in Addis Ababa?
I don't know historical sites there or whatever. I don't know, but I just want to see the way it looks.
The way it looks?
Yeah.
Okay, sawa sawa. Asante sana.
Karibu.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Black Raj.
Black Raj.
Yep.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Ethiopia?
I know it.
How do you know it?
Okay, it's an African country. East Africa? No, just an African country. That way.
Yeah. Is there anything else you've heard about Ethiopia?
Nothing more. Just some small things like the capital city. The other things.
Then that brings me to the next question. Do you know the capital city of Ethiopia?
Addis Ababa.
Yes, it is. If you're given the opportunity, is it a capital city? Would you like to visit it?
Okay, if I'm given a chance, and then why should I decline that? But if it's using my money, not Ethiopia.
Okay, so what? Let's say you're going to Addis Ababa. What do you look forward to seeing most when you get there?
Actually, I'm single, so the first thing I'll look for something cool like I see they have cool ladies. Yeah.
Okay, so if you're an Ethiopian lady and you're watching this, know that there's a Kenyan man who's looking for an Ethiopian lady. So thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you.